Hello everyone. Welcome IT Nexus. Today I explain how to download, install and configure OBS Studio in your computer. First you need to download the OBS Studio software in your computer. Open your web browser and find OBS free download. Click the Download OBS Studio. And click the Download installer. After downloading, and open Download folder and double-click OBS Studio x64 installer. Click Next. Next, Install. Then untick Launch OBS Studio and click the Finish. Now open the OBS Studio. Tick the Optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming, and click Next. Click Apply Setting. Click the Add Source button. Select Display Capture. And click the OK. Click the display and select 1920 by 1080 primary monitor. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.